Hi friends, welcome to my channel, S.B.A Tricks and Ideas. In this video I go to show that how to download 10th or S.S.L.C old or any questions papers. First open the browser, I recommend Chrome. Now click on search. Then type as 2010 S.S.L.C question paper Karnataka. Now click on the website www.inyatrust.co.in. I download 2010 S.S.L.C. Click on it. Then choose your questions paper of your language. Now click on it. Then click on it. Now click on keep. Now see your questions paper. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.